Hello, and welcome to Confero's Reporting at a Glance. My name is Paul Jacoby, and I'm the Data Services Manager here at Confero. The purpose of this series of short videos is to introduce to you and demonstrate the variety of ways your results can be presented and the flexibility our platform allows. Today's episode is called Compass Dashboards, Hierarchy Results and EKG. I will demonstrate the default way in which different managers in your location hierarchy see their results and then showcase one of the newer features that many of our clients love, EKG. Let's get underway. One of the common questions we get is how much access will the varying levels of our management hierarchy have if they're allowed to log in? The short answer is we can tailor it to suit your needs, but by default, managers have access to just their results, as well as some reporting allows them to see how they compare to their peers without being able to further dig down into their peers' results. Here we have what two different managers see when they log in. On the left is what we term as a client supervisor, which is a type of manager that has access to all results for a particular program. On the right is a region manager. The first thing to note is the difference in shop counts and scores. The client supervisor is seeing the results based on all 107 shops and for January, while the region manager is seeing results just for his 9. This is why there is a difference between the scores the client supervisor sees, such as the 96.07 store visit score for the entire project versus the 96.89 for the region. The next difference is in what the results a manager can drill further down into. As mentioned in a previous video, when the cursor changes from an arrow to a hand, it indicates you can interact with that reporting widget. On the left, the client supervisor can drill down into any part of the hierarchy. However, for the region manager on the right, while they can see how their peers have performed, the bars for the others are grayed out, indicating they cannot drill down into them. And to clarify, we can design your reporting views to hide the peer data as well if that is your choice. Now, on to one of the more popular new features, EKG. You will note that several of the reporting widgets on a dashboard have a small icon in the upper left that resembles a heart monitor or EKG. Clicking that will highlight the score areas in the widget a shade of yellow to indicate each EKG is active. Clicking now on one of the scores pops up a behind the numbers report. It indicates at the top what you're viewing results for, in this case, the entire company, and it details which questions were missed the most. It also tells the user who the bottom performing 5 units were and what questions those 5 units missed the most. Pressing the escape key closes the pop-up. The results shown in the pop-up are based on the score clicked. If you pick something different, such as the Atlanta-Tallahassee region, the behind the numbers now tailors the results to just the data from that region. This makes this an ideal tool for your management team to see quickly what areas and units they need to focus on. Tune into future videos as we'll go into more depth about what the variety of widgets show, further ways you can interact with the results, and how to set up your own custom views for either your own use or to share with others. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate